Christine. Today, we're gonna learn how to make homemade stickers. So here are some stickers that I made before. It's really easy to make and you can give it to your friends as gifts. So for this project, you're only gonna need 3 materials: duct tape, scissors, and wax paper. For your sticker designs, you can either print them out like me, or you can just cut out some cute decorations you have around your room. So to start off, you want to cut out each design individually. This is how your stickers will look like. Do this to all the designs you want to make as stickers. So after you have finished cutting out all your designs, you want to get your wax paper and cut it into the size of your sticker design. Make sure your wax paper is a little larger. It should look like mine. Now using that wax paper sheet, you want to get your scissors and cut halfway up. Make sure to leave some space on top. Now using your duct tape, cut out a small strip and lay it flat onto your design. Make sure you use a flat object to make sure there are no air bubbles. It should look like this. Make sure you do the same to all your other sticker designs. After that, you will now cut around the border of your sticker. Make sure you leave some space. This will help the sticker to adhere to any surface. Again, you will repeat this process to all your other sticker designs. Now you are finished making your own homemade stickers. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and fill out the form below so that we can include your ideas into future videos. But wait, before you leave, someone suggested that we include our pets in our videos. This is my dog, Vanilla.